Sushi has a variety of styles including hand-formed Nigiri sushi, gunkan sushi, rolled sushi, oshizushi, and hand roll. These are the major styles, but some minor and unique forms have also developed region by region. Temari Sushi, or small bowl-shaped sushi, which is introduced in this video, was functionally invented in Kyoto, where maiko or geiko can easily enjoy the bite-sized sushi without messing up their beautiful makeups. Prepare sushi rice. The best timing to use it is about 1 hour after it's cooked. It is thoroughly steamed, but not too hot nor too wet. Around at a body temperature is the best. Make a small bite-sized sushi rice ball. Prepare a piece of sashimi fish of your choice and make layers of decoration onto the rice ball. Cover the whole ingredients with a plastic wrap. Then, twist the end of the film to tighten up at the bottom of the rice ball. Once the toppings adhere to the rice, unwrap it and put some additional toppings to finish the decoration. If you want to add some color onto the rice itself, you can mix a pinch of dried shiso leaves with rice. These are just topping suggestions, but the good thing of this style is that you can choose any ingredients to your preference. Make each pieces of sushi balls and colorfully line up on a plate to highlight your sushi party.